ఏమా స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. హలో. So all the students turn on your videos. All the students turn on your videos on. First 5 members. Hmm. Whoever is speaking, only their audio should be unmuted and remaining all others should be in mute. Okay? And check before speaking, turn on your audio, and after speaking, turn off. So be cautious to the questions, whatever we are asking. So don't ask me to repeat the question because I need to handle all your 66 members now. Fine. So just for 5 members, just 4 minutes time and 1 minute for questions. Make it fast. First 5 numbers. One, 2, 3, 14 and 18. Everybody is present. Raise your hand. 1, 1, 2, 3, 14. Registers the chava. Start చేయండమ్మా. Start your presentation. Share the presentation.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm B. Tulasi. I'm studying BTech third year from Kite Women's. Today, my project about employee burnout analysis. My project was employee burnout rate using machine learning. The abstract employee burnout prediction was created using machine learning by decision tree classifier. The outline of my project was introduction and users solution and how to customize your project modeling and results. Introduction. Employee burnout is a state of physical and emotional. The burnout means in the modern world, the and employees and work teams have more stress. To predict the stress, we can create the burnout project by using machine learning. It predicts the solution before causing severe health problems. The end users are three types: HR, team leaders, and managers. Here, the end users of the project is EduNet Foundation is created the end users project. The solution value proposition decision tree. I created my project using decision tree regression model. Ma'am. Decision tree is a type of supervised learning. Decision tree can handle both numerical data and categorical data. The steps I decision tree to applying decision tree to burnout prediction data collection. It collects the data of employees like name and the stress and feature selections, workload, job satisfaction, and sleep quality. Model training. It trains the model using the decision tree algorithm. It evaluates the model using metrics like absolute mean error and root mean square error. It predicts the model to burnout for new employees. Benefits for decision tree models: interpretability, feature importance, and visual representation. Instead of linear regression model, I have used a decision tree to give the more accurate
Next
results.
number. Next number. Continue from here. Roll number two. Continue from here.
Okay. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pavni Nagaredi. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pavni Nagaredi. I'm pursuing my Bachelor's of Technology from Sales Invention Economics. Now I'm going to explain my
My roll
summer
number two,
internship
switch
on
on your video.
employee work. Am I visible, ma'am?
Not visible.
ఇది మార్చాను మేడం ఇది హైలైట్ చేయట్లేదు గ్రీటింగ్స్ మేడం సూపర్స్లోనే తేడా పడింది లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా
It is visible now.
Now,
Continue.
okay. Now I'm going to explain my summer internship on employee burnout prediction. Ma'am. That abstract of this project is
All are having same titles, no? Madam. Madam parents Suguna, na? What's your name, madam?
Goda Devi, madam.
Godadev, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
All the students having the same titles, కదా?
Yes, ma'am. They
మరి
are
ఒకటే
working on
ప్రెజెంటేషన్
same project,
సరిపోతుంది.
ma'am.
ఇండివిజువల్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్స్ అవసరం లేదు. ఆ 5 మెంబర్స్‌లో ఎవరిది బెస్ట్‌గా ఉంటే వాళ్ళది ప్రెజెంట్ చేయమనండి. వాళ్ళు
Okay,
షేర్
ma'am.
చేసి దానిలో నుంచి అందరూ చెప్పేయమనండి.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
ఓకేనా?
Okay, ma'am.
Rule number 2, explain from model evaluation onwards.
introduction to employee burnout means to model
Explain this slide. Linear regression, explain.
okay, ma'am, okay. In this project, we use linear regression algorithm. Ma'am. It is a supervised machine learning tool. Uh, it is linear regression means uh, it is used to divide data. It is used to separate data variables. For example, uh, for example, studies and grades. So it draws a straight line to separate the data points in this linear
Keep
regression.
your speaker at your mouth. Your voice is not clear.
In linear regression, it provides a straight line to separate the data variables. In linear regression, we have two types: simple linear and multiple linear regression. In simple linear, one dependent variable are there. That means one predictor. In multiple linear regression, we have more than one. We have more than one or two independent variables. In this project, we use the linear regression to predict the employee burnout values.
Next number, roll number 3. Roll number 3. Only linear regression or any other algorithm?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sarishwar Dalala. I'll take decision tree algorithm, ma'am.
ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి. పాజ్ లేదు. చెప్పాలి ఫాస్ట్‌గా. So directly go to the working principle of the decision tree. Stay on this page and explain. మేడం మీరు ఆన్లైన్లో ఉండాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్ చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. మ్యూట్లో ఉన్నావు.
అమ్మా అన్మ్యూట్ చేయి. రోల్ నెంబర్ 3.
Good morning, ma'am.
స్టార్ట్ చేయమ్మా.
Okay. In this burnout rate prediction, I will take the decision tree algorithm, ma'am. In this morning, we got the data from the online site, ma'am, from the CATL. So in this data, we upload the data from the CATL, and next we understand the data using functions like head tiles, etc. Like we use libraries, pandas, numpys, like that. So then we reprocess the data, like we remove the null values, empty values, like that. Next, understand the correlation of the data. Then we go for the visualization. We apply the decision tree algorithms on the data. We get the burnout rate prediction using machine learning with the help of decision tree algorithm.
What is the difference between classification and regression?
Classification means it is a categorical data. Regression means it is a continuous data, ma'am.
So decision tree can be used for both regression and classification.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. We can use only classification, ma'am.
Then
Not
here in the last point you wrote that decision tree regression model.
we can use supervised and unsupervised learning. So we can use regression model also.
ఎవరు ప్రాంప్టింగ్ ఎందుకు నీకు తెలిస్తే చెప్పు. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ఏముంది? నెక్స్ట్ అల్గారిథం ఏంటి?
రోల్ నెంబర్ 14. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్.
Good morning.
స్టార్ట్ చేయాలమ్మా. మేక్ ఇట్ ఫాస్ట్. So immediately you need to start ma next roll number.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kavya. I'm currently pursuing BTech third year.
If that number is having any problem, next number, roll number 18.
Roll number 18, continue.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
స్టార్ట్ చేయాలమ్మా. ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్తారు గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్?
Ma'am, here me using the linear regression for employee burnout and analysis. To This is the process, ma'am. First of all, I collect the data from Kaggle, and next I pre-process the data, and I split the data into training and testing set. Once the training set is completed, and I test the data using machine learning algorithms using linear regression, ma'am. That's the process, ma'am. Next, here I use the pandas for pre-processing and data manipulate the data, and me using NumPy for array operations in data pre-processing. For visualizing the
Go
data,
back to the previous slide, ma. Go back to the previous slide. And there you have mentioned SVM, random forest.
yes, ma'am.
You
Here we using either linear regression or support estimation, either random forest, ma'am. We using based on the data set, ma'am.
okay? Which algorithm you have implemented?
Me using linear regression, ma'am.
Linear regression.
Yes,
How many types of regression models are there?
yes, ma'am.
How many types of regression models are there?
There are two types, ma'am. Linear regression and multilinear regression, ma'am. Simple
Anybody
linear
from your
regression.
batch? How many types of regression models are there? Anybody? 1, 2, 3, 14, 18. If you know the answer, turn on your mic. Roll number 14.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. How many types of regression models? When you need to collect the data from heterogeneous resources, how to collect it? What kind of pre-processing technique it is? No answer from anybody. Okay, next batch. Madam, next batch onwards, share only one presentation. Among five, whichever is the best one, share that presentation, and all the students need to explain from that presentation. Start share immediately. Next batch, turn on your videos, share your presentation. మేడం స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి, ఇంత డిలే అవ్వదు. వేర్ ఆర్ ద స్టూడెంట్స్? ఆస్క్ దెమ్ టు టర్న్ ఆన్ దేర్ వీడియోస్.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Deepthi. I am from CSM branch. Kaitumans. Today my project is
మా రోల్ నెంబర్ 27 స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయమ్మా. మా నెక్స్ట్ రోల్ నెంబర్ ఎవరు? 28 స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేయి మేడం. గోదాదేవి మేడం. మేడం ఆ అమ్మాయికి ఏదో ప్రాబ్లం ఉన్నట్టుంది, ఒకసారి చూడండి. రోల్ నెంబర్ 20.
రోల్ నెంబర్
మేడం నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయమనండి, తనకి అవ్వకపోతే.
ఓకే మ్యామ్. సింగిల్ పర్సన్ షేర్ చేస్తారు మ్యామ్. రోల్ నెంబర్ 28 స్టార్ట్స్.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sai Lavanya. I am from CSM branch. My project is employee burnout analysis. Employee burnout analysis means it is it's the employee stress rate, ma'am. Employee burnout is a process issue causing distressed productivity increased. Ma'am, by using this we can stress.
రోల్ నెంబర్ 34. రోల్ నెంబర్ 34. హాయ్ మ్యామ్.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేయమ్మా. 27 అన్మ్యూట్ చేయి.
మేడం ఏంటి లేటు? నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయమనండి, తను అవ్వకపోతే.
Roll number 43. Share your screen.
My name is Dhanashree. I'm pursuing BTech third year CSM. This is my project name, employee burnout analysis. In employee burnout analysis, we have the well-being and organization performance, ma'am, based on how performing employee. And agenda of this is data loading, data visualization, data pre-processing, and linear regression, ma'am. This is my abstract based on purpose, impact, focus factors, and identifying how they perform and balance in work, ma'am. And users of this project are organization, companies, human resources professionals, and managers, employee workers, ma'am. And solution is exists collaboration and effective line manager who work life balance on how they perform on their work process. Customization of project by using data loading and data visualization, data pre-processing, linear regression, we done the project. In modeling, we use these MBA, JDR, ERM models. And outcome of the project is burnout prevention status and success of using how employees work and perform their work tensions on stress. Thank you, ma'am.
Roll number 46.
Dhanashree, screen share. Stop. On check. Stop check.
Morning, my name is Melissa Sandra. I'm here from vitamins. Here my project is employee burnout analysis. In this
ఏమ్మా ఆగిపోయారే అయిపోయిందా
నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి మేడం, చాలా లేట్ అయిపోతుంది.
Roll number 27, continue.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Deepthi from CSM Kaitumans. Today, my project name is Employee Burnout Analysis. Project statement. Employee burnout is a work video.
Roll number 27 on the video.
మేడం ఏంటి లేటు?
అమ్మ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళందరూ వాళ్ళ 5 మెంబర్స్ మాత్రమే ఒక రూమ్ లో కూర్చోండి, అందరూ కలిపి ఒక రూమ్ లో కూర్చుని నాయిస్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు ఎందుకు? మా నెక్స్ట్ రోల్ నెంబర్ ఎవరు 27 తర్వాత? గోదాదేవి మేడం.
Roll number 46, ma'am.
మా రోల్ నెంబర్ 46 ప్రెజెంట్ చేయమ్మా.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sandhya. My project title is Employee Burnout and Solution. In this we
What about
use
the remaining
Viva.
members? Ask them to turn on their videos.
మా ఎవ్రీవన్ టర్న్ ఆన్ యువర్ వీడియో.
మేడం గోదాదేవి మేడం మీరు స్పీడ్గా ఉండాలి.
Okay, ma'am.
వాళ్ళు అయిపోయిన వాళ్ళని కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయమని చెప్పండి. అయిపోయిన స్టూడెంట్స్ ఉన్నారు కదా, వాళ్ళని కోఆర్డినేట్ చేయమనండి. వన్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టూడెంట్.
మా
స్టార్ట్ చేయాలి
46 you
వెంటనే.
can ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయమ్మా.
Yes, ma'am. In this region, data loading, data visualization, data pre-processing, linear regression, regression regions. And this access we use purposes which we analyze the employee burnout to improve well-being and productivity, ma'am. And the scope and objectivity.
Meanwhile, next batch, get ready. Turn on your videos.
Where it provides compressions analysis, ma'am, and it is intervention and to organize HR professionals manager, ma'am. This is a useful data load we do, ma'am. And this is the data visualization of customer data techniques, ma'am.
Next batch, start your presentation.
Data reprocessing, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Next batch.
అమ్మ స్టార్టింగ్ రోల్ నెంబర్ ఎవరో స్టార్ట్ చేయండి ప్రెజెంటేషన్.
Roll number 34.
అన్మ్యూట్ చేసి స్టార్ట్ చేయండి అమ్మ ప్రెజెంటేషన్. ఫాస్ట్ గా 1 o'clock కల్లా క్లోజ్ అవ్వాలంటే మీరు ఎంత స్లో ఉన్నారు.
Good morning, ma'am. Hello.
Tell me your roll number and start the presentation. Okay.
Ma'am, I am Anuradha. My roll number is 22 JN1A4261. Now my project is employee burnout analysis, ma'am. Here my abstract, this is purpose. I have used here machine learning techniques to predict the employee burnout analysis. These burnouts are main causes due to stress or time management and so on. Here methodology I have used here linear regression, SVM, decision trees and so on. Key findings means we have to first collect the data from records or HRs from and so on. Significance to reduce the burnout analysis. And here my overview, introduction, project overview and solution and so on. Here my problem statement is employee burnout analysis. Main issue is will negatively impacts on individuals and both organization too. And so we have to reduce the these burnouts. This leads to more protectively increase absentees and so on. We have to reduce these all. So I have used here machine learning techniques. So project overview is these main causes are coming out. The employees frequently resigns, are involuntary or voluntary. They are resigning, are taking leaves and so on. Here predicting burnout with precision can lead the organization can have and overall performance. Here, how solution to reduce the burnouts. So we have to early detections or target interventions. Here, interventions means we have to provide the target variable. So we have to
ఏంటమ్మది?
so if we reduce the burnouts, we can
Just 1 minute
ఇందులో
will
కానీ
take.
A4
Next number.
లెటర్ రాని ఇందులో అంటున్నాను.
మేడం టైం చూసుకోండి.
ఏమని?
Roll number 47.
ఇలా తీసుకుంటున్నాను కింద ఏమన్నా రిటర్న్ ఇచ్చేస్తాను. బ్యాక్ సైడ్ రాసామన్నారు.
Good morning,
Next
madam.
number start చేయండమ్మా. Next number.
Good morning, madam. My name is Vaishnavi, bearing roll number
బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఇలా
4247 from CSM. Today I am presenting the project employee burnout prediction using linear regression. I use the abstract of this project. It is the critical issue impacting productivity, job satisfaction, and overall organization efficiency. And this project is conducted during
Roll number 53. Share the video.
Good morning. My name is Anita Ishwarya. I am bearing roll number 22JN1A4253 and from CSM branch in Kaitu Mines. I am going to give the presentation about employee burnout prediction.
మేడం గౌదాదేవి మేడం ఉన్నారా ఆన్లైన్లో?
Yes, ma'am.
ఒక స్టూడెంట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ షేర్ చేయండి మేడం. వాళ్ళందరూ ఆఫ్ చేసి మళ్ళీ
Yes, ma'am.
ఇంకో స్క్రీన్ ప్రెజెంట్ చేసేసరికి చాలా టైం పడుతుంది.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
పర్ బ్యాచ్ ఓన్లీ వన్ స్క్రీన్, వన్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్. యూ ప్లీజ్ షేర్ ఇట్.
Roll number 78. Share the PPT.
సో విచ్ ఎవర్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్రెజెంటేషన్ మీరు డిసైడ్ చేయండి ఒకసారి వాళ్ళ ఐదుగురిది చూసి.
Okay, ma'am.
ఎవరు నెక్స్ట్? ఎవరు?
Roll number 70.
హూ ఈజ్ స్పీకింగ్? 61 అయిపోయిందా మీది?
Yes, ma'am. Over, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ 68.
Good morning, ma'am.
68 అయిపోయిందా? మేడం మీరు నాకు ఎక్సెల్ ఇచ్చారు కదా ఫైల్, ఆ ఆర్డర్లో చెప్పమానండి స్టూడెంట్స్ని. సో
Okay,
దట్
ma'am.
నేను గ్రేడ్ వేసుకోవడం ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది నాకు.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ రోల్ నెంబర్ 68 చెప్పండి.
Roll number 68.
68, 78 followed by 88.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Share చేసా ma'am.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మేడం.
మేడం స్పీడ్గా చేయాలి, ఇంకా 16 బ్యాచెస్ ఉన్నాయి. Who is 68? I am going to keep absent.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మేడం. వినబడట్లేదు మేడం. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ మ్యామ్. ఇందులో వినిపించట్లేదు మేడం. చేసాను మేడం. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Sushmita. I am from third year CSM. Today I am presenting the project about employee burnout prediction. First we have some topics, ma'am. Introduction and project overview. First we will go for introduction, ma'am. This project explains about the employee burnout, ma'am. It is a critical issue, impacts both on individuals and organizations. It can lead to decreased productivity and increased absenteeism. This project abstract is, in circumstance like this, employee burnout can be common, which may result in outputting for them. This project purports the predict employee exhaustion and depression, workload, work environment, and management support. Next, we will go for end users. These are three types: HR and managers and employees. First, HRs used by professional to deliver purpose, inventions and support programs. Managers can
Next
support.
number, see, you need not read the slide contents. దానికి మీరు బీటెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదమ్మా స్లైడ్స్ రీడ్ చేయడానికి. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి. 78.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, R. Roshni from CSM, currently pursuing BTech third year. Today, I would like to introduce about PPT, my project PPT. So, my project is employment burnout prediction, a machine learning approach to enhance organization, well-being, and performance. So coming to problem statement is critical issue that negatively impacts both individuals and organizations. So burnout can lead to decreases productivity, increase and higher turnover rates, ma'am. So this is my abstract. In circumstances like this, employee burnout can be common, which may employees facing which problems. So in that basis, we take so end users is human resources and managers and leaders and employees. So this is the solution value proposition for my project, ma'am. So early detection, targeting inventions, improved employee retention, and enhanced productivity. So coming to customization and personalization, firstly data collection and then feature engineering, and then user-friendly interface, integration existing systems, and then modeling the data, which we are taking the data, and model evolution, model optimization. So here references is understanding employee burnout strategies to prevent it, and then machine learning techniques for employee being, ma'am. In this model development, we use random forest, support vector machines, and neural networks also. And coming to evaluation, I use accuracy, precision, and for scale in machine learning, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Roll number 88.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, I'm Deepika. I'm currently pursuing BTech third year. My project is about employee burnout prediction. The outline of the project is problem statement, project agenda, project overview, end user solutions, abstract, and conclusion. Problem statement. In today's workplace, employee burnout is a serious issue that has an impact on overall organizational health, employee satisfaction, and productivity. And the outcome of this burnout is reduces performance and high turnover rate and higher absenteeism. The project agenda. The agenda of the employee burnout prediction project is to develop a model that can predict an employee's burnout rate based on the various factors. The goal is to identify the employees who are at risk and provide them the target support, the overview, predictive modeling, data insights, and actionable recommendations. In predictive modeling, we can develop and train machine learning models to predict the burnout rate. In data insights, and we analyze the data to uncover key factors and contributing to employee burnout. In actionable recommendations, we provide insights and recommendations for organization to effectively mitigate the employee burnout. The end users are employees, management and leadership, human resource teams, data analytics, and researchers. The solution for these burnouts is be realistic when assigning tasks and schedule breaks between the work. Keep reasonable work hours. Be flexible and do not spread your team too thin. Provide adequate resources and create a supportive culture. The abstract of the project is the report outlines my internship project on employee burnout prediction. The project aimed to analyze various employee-related factors such as gender, company type, work from home, availability, mental fatigue score, and the resource allocation. The project provided hands-on experience in data processing, model development, and evaluating machine learning models. The conclusion is employee burnout is a state of physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. It can have serious consequences on individual as well as well-being and can lead to the decreased productivity and job performance. Thank you, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ 88 కూడా అయిపోయిందమ్మా.
Yes,
Done,
ma'am.
ma'am.
ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్.
Next back.
Start చేయాలి
Roll
immediate.
number 5, share the PPT.
Explain in the order 5, 7, 8, 10, 12. 5, 7, 8, 10, 12.
Roll number 5, continue.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Harshita, currently pursuing BTech third year. I am here to present on review on sentimental analysis. This is the outline. This abstract is sentimental analysis is a natural language processing. It is used to emotion of the body of classify text data into positive, negative, and neutral. It is about the abstract in problem statement to develop a sentimental analysis model. It is accurately based on a given text input. It is based on the categorized positive, negative, neutral. In proposed solution, we have to collect the data from the different sources, and we can after the data collection we have to data pre-processing, remove the unwanted data, and we can take the machine learning algorithm, which is a Navi-based algorithm. Navi-based is nothing but it is based on the Navi-Bayes theorem. After that we can deploy the real-time prediction. After that we can evaluate the accuracy score, which is appropriate matrix. System approach. In system approach, we have hardware and software. Hardware is nothing but large amount of textual data is efficiently. In software, we have We have libraries like Pandas, NLTK, Skitlearn, Matplotlib, Seaborn. In Pandas, we have to manipulate data. In Skitlearn, we have to data mining and data analysis. Matplotlib and Seaborn is used for visualizing the data. This is the result on the. We can take the restaurant review based on their customers feedback. It is about the food. This is the feedback of the customers. In conclusion, we can take in valuable feedback, we can take the customer's review and we can improvement in the further better operation. It is used for the more loyal operation. In future scope, we use machine learning advanced by using the customer preference. We can give them more in future we can implement that one. In language support, we use to sentimental analysis in different languages. We can refer this.
X number.
Roll number 7. Roll number 8.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Monica and currently pursuing BTech third year, the branch of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Today, I explain about sentimental analysis. In sentimental analysis, abstract is sentimental analysis is also known as opinion mining, is a natural language and processing technique used to determine the emotional. I explain the problem statement. The problem statement is develop a sentiment analysis model that can accurately classify a given text into predefined sentiment categories like positive, negative, and neutral. Next one is system approaches. In system approaches, section outlines the overview strategies and methodologies for developing and implementing the restaurant reviews. The libraries are required to build the models, pandas, NLPs, Sticklearn, and methodology schemas. Next one is proposed. Proposed solution, they are using the data collection, data pre-processing, machine learning algorithm, deployment, and evaluation. In machine learning algorithm, we choose the nav-based algorithm to classify the suitable for a test classification task. Next result. In result, we do the visualization of the project. The conclusion is the sentimental analysis project for restaurant reviews shows the nowadays model can accurately understand the customer feelings. This helps the restaurant improve customer satisfaction and plan better strategies. Available and feedback, it gives the future scope. Future scope is personalized and long-range support.
Who is speaking, ma? I'm not able to see. Keep your camera properly. Which roll number?
Standing.
Roll number 10.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Bhavani from CSM BTech third year. I'm today presenting the sentimental analysis. This is the outline of the sentimental analysis program. And coming to abstract, sentimental analysis is known as the opinion mining, the natural language processing NLP techniques used to determine to the emotional tone to the behind the body language to text to the classifying the data into positive and negative and the neutral and the problem statement. Deploy the sentimental analysis model to the accuracy classifying the given text into the predicted sentimental categorization. Example, positive, negative, and neutral. The model should be handled to the device saying the text such as products, reviews, social media, and the post the news articles. And coming to the problems of proportional solutions. In these proportional solution, data collection, data preprocessing, machine learning algorithm, deployment, and the evaluation. In data collection model, we take the data to gather the information from the data sets, preprocessing used to the HTML tags, URLs, and the cache places. Machine learning used to the suitable algorithms like Navi-based deployment in deployment to the applications to provide the real-time applications evaluations to take the performance the accuracy scores. And the system approach selections to the outline of the strategies to the methodologies developing the implementation the restaurant review system
ఇంకా
and the libraries
మాట్లాడలేదు
requires pandas
దీని
and
బదులు ఆన్సర్ అయిపోతే సరిపోతుంది కదా
Kaylan Matplotlib and the Scalpel.
నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్
Roll number 7.
Good morning, madam. Myself Soumya, currently pursuing BTech third year at CSM section. Today I am here to present my review on sentiment analysis. Coming to the outline, here is the abstract and the problem statement and all the steps. Coming to abstract, we have to in sentimental analysis is also known as opinion mining, which is used by the nav-based and NLP in deep learning algorithm. It is also providing a variable insights for applications like customer feedback analysis, brand monitoring, and market research. Coming to problem statement, we have to develop a system sentiment analysis model to categorize the predefined sentiments which is in the text format, whether it is a positive, negative, or the neural. It can be use it for the product reviews and social media posts as well as news articles. And coming to the proposed solution, we have to make the process according to the models and the data processing. In this data collection, we have to collect the data from the specific proposals
In
used for the
Navy-based
next data
algorithm,
collection.
in Navy-based algorithm, there are two probabilities. Can any one of you explain what are those two probabilities?
Madam?
Navy-based algorithm, we need to calculate two kinds of probabilities. Any one of you from among 5 members. If no answer, next batch, turn on your videos and start the presentation.
Next batch.
Madam Godadevi, madam. Madam.
Roll number 13, start.
Good morning, madam. My name is Pitani Shavya. I am currently pursuing grade 3rd year from Kaitums. Today I am discussing about my project sentiment on sentimental analysis.
All the members should be visible in this team. 26, 30, 32. 26 kada? 13, 15, 16, 21, 23.
My project constraint is
21, 23 is absent.
sentimental
21.
analysis is a powerful of NLP. It holds AI to accurately classify the emotions based on the customer.
Madam, everybody should be visible. Only 3 are visible to me. "23" I am going to mark absent for you. Roll number 16
Roll
also.
number 16 on the video.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Harika, and I'm currently pursuing BTech 3rd year in artificial intelligence.
Roll number 15.
Roll number 21, adjust your camera. You have to be visible like your hall ticket. Start sharing.
Roll number 15.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. I'm Sushmita, currently pursuing BTech 3rd year from Kite Women's, and I'm presenting about sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is about classifying the text into whether it is a positive or negative or neutral. It classifies the text into sentiments, and it is widely applied to understand public sentiment, customer feedback, and social media trends by categorizing
Go
this
to the
text into
algorithm.
positive,
Go to the
negative, or
algorithm
neutral.
and explain.
Here we use
Explain the algorithm.
multinomial naive Bayes algorithm, and this algorithm we, we use multinomial naive Bayes algorithm. Here, the sentiment analysis is an application of natural process language and machine learning.
Explain algorithm. Did you
Multinomial
get
naive
my
Bayes,
point?
yes, ma'am. Multinomial naive Bayes algorithm is used here. It is it
Next
tells
number,
about the
number 16. Algorithm. Everybody don't start from introduction. Okay, divide the contents between among yourself and continue entire presentation by all 5 people. Don't again start from what is sentiment analysis. Okay, explain. Navy base algorithm. Roll number 16.
Roll number 16.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Harika, and I'm currently pursuing BTech third year. So coming to my project, it is about sentimental analysis. So what is sentimental analysis? It is a process that uses natural language
Madam,
process
నా వాయిస్ వినబడుతుందా?
algorithm, ma'am. I used Navy Bayes algorithm, madam, which is a mathematical model that is helpful to classify the text, and it tokenizes into individual terms, and it helps to classify easily the given the source. So I used the Navy Bayes algorithm, madam.
I said explain the algorithm. Next number 21.
Roll number 21.
Good morning.
మేడం గౌతదేవి మేడం ఉన్నారా?
Yes, ma'am.
మీరు కూడా గ్రేడ్స్ వేసుకోండి.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Satyadevi, currently pursuing BTech third
No
year.
need to introduce yourself, ma. I know already your roll
Okay, ma'am.
numbers.
Here we have used.
Directly go to the question.
Here, okay, ma'am. Here we use naive-based algorithm. It is the supervised algorithm used for classification. It is based on the Bayes theorem. So it will, in our project, naive-based algorithm is used in a way that it will classify the text or document or sentence in a way it is positive or negative or neutral. It will classify based on the tone of the, whether it is for tone of the voice or pitch using or emotion
Next number
in customer
23.
use.
I hope you are not audible. Like my voice is not audible to you. I have asked you to explain naive base algorithm. 23.
Good morning, ma'am. Naive-Bayes algorithm is a classification algorithm which uses Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is nothing but P by A based theorem. Here we classifies the sentiment analysis based on customer's feedback, which classifies the probability using three terms like positive, neutral, and negative. If the customer gives the positive, the probability majority, if it is positive, it gives a positive probability. If it is negative, it gives a negative probability. If some of the customers gives all the neutral probabilities, then it gives the neutral. I think that's it, ma'am.
Is roll number 15 absent?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. All are present.
Then why her video is not visible? Jansi. Is roll number 16 absent? I asked her to turn on her video. If she is absent, then next batch, turn on your videos and start your presentation.
No, ma'am, she is present, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, everybody should be visible in this batch. 26, 30, 32, 33, 35.
Roll number 26, start.
Hello, ma'am. I'm Prasanna Karanchi, currently pursuing BTech third year in the domain of computer science and engineering with specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning at Kite Women's. And I am a student of computer science and machine learning. So our topic is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is a powerful tool which is used to emotional text, and it is based on positive, negative, or
Madam,
neutral. In this, the
35 is not
abstract is
visible. Is it absent?
Roll number 35. సరిగ్గా కనిపించట్లేదు.
Coming to abstract, sentiment analysis focuses on understanding emotions and options in text. This presentation highlights the use of learner techniques to enhance the accuracy of detecting and classifying sentiments in written content. It covers teaching methods applied and potential future advancements. Real-place applications such as marketing, customer feedback analysis, and social media monitoring demonstrate its significance and impact. Coming to outline, in this we are discussing about problem statement, proposed solution, system development approach, algorithm, result, conclusion, feature scope, and reference. Coming to
Madam, myself Satya, currently pursuing CSM branch. The problem statement of this project is the problem is sentimental analysis, classifying the polarity of a given test of a document from sentence, and it classifies the text to the either positive, negative, or it's neutral. In mainly, it is useful and large companies with thousands of daily mentions on social media. In very big data times, madam, it is in social media like Twitter or else anything. At that time, we use this sentimental analysis to classify the data. Either it is a positive, negative, or else neutral, madam. The proposed solution of this project, madam. First, we should collect the data, madam. And next, we should pre-process the data, madam. In this pre-processing, madam, removing noisy data and unwanted data, madam. And we should apply machine learning algorithm to this data, madam. Next, we should deploy, and at least we should get the accuracy as 85%, madam. Thank you.
Next roll number.
Good morning, madam. My name is Pujita. Now I will tell about the system development approach. It is required systems and for hardware requirements, software requirements. We generally leverages on pandas, maps, numpy, statements, bias algorithm. Whenever algorithm needed, probability crossfire based on base theorem. And also here we select the algorithm which is guide to helps in the subset algorithm for sentiment analysis. We take the data input, the input which is for models includes the proposed textual reviews, which we provide the necessary data for the sentiment analysis step. Rank process here we select the if we are selecting the algorithm here we train that algorithm. For the algorithm we predict the process. Thank you. Ma'am.
Roll number 30.
Myself, Ms. Srivalli ma'am. Conclusion in this project, the sentimental analysis. It is the conclusion. The model successfully classified customers' reviews with high accuracy, achieving a balanced performance with high preferences and recalls. Insight visualization such as confusion matrices and arbor highlights the model's strengths and ensure represent sentiment identifications and future scope. Unnecessary future scope. In the future scope, it is the give that accuracy, what the value is, what the accuracies will become. Thank you, madam.
Roll number 35.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Haman Sandhya, currently pursuing third year BTech with a specialization in artificial intelligence and machine learning. Our future scope is explore the future trends in a sentimental analysis for the emotion our chatbots to personalization sentimental analysis, uncover the evolving and landscape of a sentimental analysis technologies, implement real-time systems for immediate insights, expand generalization with a desired review, source
What do you mean
expand.
by generalization, ma? What do you mean by generalization? What is the meaning of the fourth sentence? Enhanced generalization with diverse review resource. What do
Based
you mean
on
by
the reviews, we
generalization?
want to enhance the generalization of our model, ma'am.
అదే అడుగుతున్నానమ్మా, వాట్ ఈస్ జనరలైజేషన్? ఎనీబడి ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ బ్యాచ్? వాట్ డూ యూ మీన్ బై జనరలైజేషన్? If no answer, next batch immediately start your presentation.
Enhanced generalization means, ma'am, while we collecting the data, we should generalize negative, even it is a positive or negative. By using this algorithm, we should generalize the data, ma'am, with the review of the people, ma'am.
When a machine learning model is said to be generalized, what is meant by generalization? Next batch.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
అంటే వెంటనే స్టార్ట్ చేయమనండి. వీళ్ళు అయిపోతుంది లాస్ట్ పర్సన్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడే వాళ్ళు వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసుకోమనండి.
Roll number 44 start.
Good morning, madam. I am Harita Yellappu, currently pursuing BTech third year with specialization of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Recently, I completed APSSDC with domain of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning project. My project is sentiment analysis and abstraction is this study employs sentiment analysis to examine customer opinions and emotions expressed in restaurant views. Sentiment analysis is a natural language processing technique to classify sentiments as positive, negative, or neutral. This model achieves an accuracy values. This results provides valuable insights for restaurants to improve customer classification. It is mainly helps to the restaurant reviews for customers feedback, and this is the outline: problem statement, methodology, challenges, result, conclusion, and tools and technologies. And problem statement is develop a sentiment analysis model that accurately classifies the sentiment of customer reviews into positive, negative, or neutral categories, and it is goal to understand customer sentiments to improve productive features, customer service, and overall customers. Roll number. Continue.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Lakshmi Kalyanji. I'm currently pursuing
ఓన్లీ
BTech
3
third
మెంబర్స్
year.
ఉన్నారు. ఫోర్త్ మెంబర్ ఎవరు? 38 is absent.
No, ma'am, they will be joined, ma'am. Due to network issue, they are trying to join, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Start Shiv.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Lakshmi Kalyanji. I'm currently pursuing BTech third year, the branch of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. The sentiment analysis that people how feels about something. The methodology is first we collect the data, gather customer reviews from various platforms such as e-commerce, social media, and forums. And then pre-processing, clean and pre-process the collected reviews to prepare them for analysis. This includes tasks like lower casing text, tokenization, stop word removal, grammatization, handling contractions and emojis, and then we classify the data based on probability to develop a machine learning model to classify reviews into
What is
positive,
the difference
negative,
between stemming and
and
lemmatization, ma? What is the difference between stemming and lemmatization? Next number. Anybody from your batch? Difference between stemming and lemmatization.
Ma'am, actually, both are the techniques used in natural language preprocessing, ma'am, to reduce the words to base forms. However, the different methods use different reduce the forms of the message, ma'am.
What is the difference between stemming and lemmatization? Anybody from your batch? If no answer, you can leave. Next batch. Start your presentation.
Roll number 64, start.
Madam, everybody should be visible. Start immediately. Roll number 50, 52, 55, 58, 60. లాస్ట్ పర్సన్ చెప్తున్నప్పుడే వీళ్ళు వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి.
Okay, ma'am.
లాస్ట్లో 2 to
Good morning, ma'am. I am from CSM, BTech third year. Today's my project is sentimental analysis. In sentimental analysis, the overview of the object is
See,
sentimental analysis.
only roll number 4 to 64 is visible to me. Remaining all other are absent. I'm marking absent for them.
Sentimental analysis helps understanding emotions and option in text. This presentation focusing on using deep learning to improve how well we can detect and classify emotions in written text. It covers how the system it builds, the method used, and future improvements. Real world example shows its importance in areas like marketing, customer.
చదవద్దు. I don't like it if you read the slide contents. Next number. Next roll number 52. 50 is absent. Roll number 50, 52 I'm marking absent. Next 55.
Madam, roll number 52 present, madam, network issue.
Start shell.
Okay, Bhavani, my topic is sentimental analysis in the statement. The problem statement in sentimental analysis is classifying the polarity of a given text at a document, sentence, or a feature at aspect level. Whether the expressed opinion in a document, a sentence, or a entity feature aspect is positive or a neutral.
See, you are not at all audible to me. Next number.
The proposed solution is first we collect the data from the Kaggle and we pre-processing the data. Pre-processing means we remove the unwanted data or null data. After that we select the
How many types of pre-processing techniques are there? How many types of data pre-processing techniques are there? Next number. Roll number 60.
Ma'am, roll number 55, ma'am. Ma'am, I am Varshita from third year CSM.
In this project, we used a nav-based algorithm, ma'am.
I asked a question, ma. You talk about the question. How many types of data pre-processing techniques are there? Next, number 60.
Roll number 60.
How many types of data pre-processing techniques are there?
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Priya. I'm third year BTech CSM.
I called you by name, no? I know everybody is studying third year BTech only, right? In Kite Engineering College for women. You need not introduce. I called you by your number, no? You directly answer my question if you know.
Yes.
Anybody from your batch? What are the different pre-processing techniques? If no answer, you can leave. Next batch. Start your videos and start presenting.
We left a one.
Madam, start చేయాలి madam.
Roll number 73. Roll number 66.
ఏమా అమ్మాయి మాట్లాడేది మీకు వినిపిస్తుందా? మరి చెప్పరే? All the 5 should be visible. 64, 66, 67, 70,
Raise your hand.
71.
Roll number 71.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Bharti.
మేడం పిలవండి.
మేడం బ్యాచ్కి ఇంత టైం అయితే ఎట్లా చెప్పండి? నేను చెప్తున్నాను కదా లాస్ట్ మెంబర్ చెప్పేటప్పుడే స్టూడెంట్స్ని కనెక్ట్ అయిపోయి వీడియో ఆన్ చేసుకోమని.
Start next batch. Roll number 73.
మేడం ఏ బ్యాచ్ రెడీగా ఉంటే ఆ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయమనండి. వాళ్ళు ఏమి ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది.
Roll number 74.
అమ్మ మీరు వినిపించట్లేదు. మీ పక్కన వాళ్ళకి ఎవరికీ తెలీదా? మీరు మాట్లాడేది రావట్లేదని? Why only 2 members are visible? What happens to the others?
Sorry. Ma'am, can I start, ma'am?
ఇంకెవరో అన్‌మ్యూట్‌లో ఉన్నారు. వాళ్ళు మ్యూట్ చేసుకోమని స్టార్ట్ చేయండి.
I'm Vaishni. I have done my project on sentiment analysis, ma'am. Coming to my abstract, this is my internship on sentiment analysis using multinomial naive-Bayes classifier in Python. The, the, the project focused on analyzing various restaurant reviews along with the corresponding sentiment labels. As coming for the uh, sentiment analysis is a real-world application. It is mainly used to describe the sentiment in each review. So I used sentiment analysis for my project. Here, for the data set, I was pre-processed using TF-IDF factorization. Here we use this factorization to convert the text into numerical features, and it creates a sparse data. And that sparse data was handled by the naive-Bayes algorithm. Coming to the proposed solution, data collection, we need to do data collection. After that, we need to do the data pre-processing. In data pre-processing, we have techniques like loading and inspecting the data set, data cleaning, tokenization, stop-word removal, lemmatization, TF-IDF factorization. In loading and inspecting the data set, we have to
What is
load the data
vectorization,
into
ma'am?
pandas and numpy.
What is
Ma'am?
vectorization?
Vectorization means we have to convert the data into numerical features, ma'am, or vectors.
Next person,
And
what is
TF-IDF
TF-IDF
means
vector? Next person.
next person.
Ma'am, దీంట్లో అయిపోయినా
Next person, what is TF-IDF vectorization? Next number. మేడం గౌరదేవ్ మేడం ఇలా అయితే కష్టం. క్వశ్చన్ అడుగుతుంటే వీడియోస్ ఆఫ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు, వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. ఎట్లా? What is the need to turn off their videos? I don't understand.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I have asked you a question. Next number. You know the answer. Answer. Otherwise.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm currently BTech third year. My roll number is 75, ma'am. Ma'am.
Project requires to collect the various software and operations and properties. Reproducing the data processing function data.
నువ్వు గట్టిగా మాట్లాడు,
In these steps, loading and step code removal, code removal. Roll number 66.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Geetika. Today, my topic is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is also known as opinion mining. Sentiment analysis is the process of analyzing text to identify whether the sentiment expressed is positive, negative, or
Emma, I
neutral.
have asked a question called what is TF-IDF vectorization? If you know the answer, respond. If not, next, give it to the next person. After
Term
66, next one.
frequency inverse document frequency, ma'am.
How do you calculate a TF-IDF? What is the mathematical formula?
To convert the text into numerical features.
That is called vectorization. I am asking for TF-IDF. How do you calculate TF-IDF? నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్కి వెళ్ళిపోండి అమ్మా ఆన్సర్ తెలియకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్కి వెళ్ళిపోండి 66 తర్వాత ఎవరు 75
Yes, ma'am.
కాదమ్మా మీరు ఏ బ్యాచ్ బ్యాచ్ నెంబర్ 9
I am 75, ma'am.
కాదమ్మా కరెంట్లీ ఏ బ్యాచ్ చెప్తుంది బ్యాచ్ నెంబర్ 9 64 66 67 70 71
73, ma'am.
ఈ బ్యాచ్ ఫినిష్ అయిపోయిందా
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వండమ్మా మేడం గోదాదేవి మేడం ఇలా అయితే చాలా కష్టం అసలు
Roll number 60.
somebody has to respond to my queries no
Ma'am, good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Shrutika Shri, and my project is sentimental analysis. The problem statement is sentimental analysis is about identifying whether a piece of text expresses.
See, మళ్ళీ మొదల నుంచి మొదలు పెట్టకండి I asked a question. If you know the answer, answer me. Again, don't start from again sentiment analysis, positive, negative, neutral.
TF-IDF means term frequency inverse document frequency, ma'am. Statistical method, ma'am. It is used in NLP and text mining to evaluate the importance of a word in a sentence or any document. It is related to a collection of documents.
బాగా చదువుతున్నావు ఎక్కడి నుంచి చదువుతున్నావు
No, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ What is BERT model? BERT. Anybody from your batch? What is BERT model? If no answer, you can leave. Next batch, start your presentation.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Pujita, band meaning bidirectional and code representation from transform in state of the art of natural language processing NLP. Hello, ma'am.
మా నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్కి వెళ్ళమన్నాను కదా, నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ చెప్పండి.
హలో
బయటికి రావే ఇందులో నుంచి.
Batch number 10 ready, ma'am. 11, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Myself, Yamni Raghavpriya. I'm currently pursuing BTech third year in the stream of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. My project is about automatic speech recognition. Here is the abstract. My internship is about automatic speech recognition. It uses technology that enables computer to recognize and transcribe spoken language into text. It takes audio input. Speech is recording through a microphone or any audio input like earphones. Pattern recognition. the exchange features are compared to the database of the pitch, tone, automatic speech recognition technology has made significant progress in recent years. And here is the introduction about my internship, automatic speech recognition. It is also known as speech to text. It uses technology that artificial intelligence to convert spoken language into written text. Automatic speech recognition system used in variety of applications such as assistant, live captioning. These topics are covered by internship. The topics are AML and supervised learning and unsupervised learning, reinforcement.
Next number.
Neural network.
Next number.
Natural language processing.
Next number.
Hello, good
Explain
afternoon.
any one of these topics. ఒక్కొక్క
Hello, good
స్టూడెంట్
afternoon,
ఒక్కొక్క
ma'am.
టాపిక్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి మా అన్సూపర్వైజ్డ్ ఒకరు రీఎన్ఫోర్స్మెంట్ ఒకరు న్యూరల్ నెట్వర్క్స్ ఒకరు స్పీచ్ రికగ్నిషన్ ఒకరు
Roll
అట్లా
number 20.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Sanjeevani. I'm roll number 20. I'm pursuing BTech third year at Kite Women's. Today, I'm going to explain about automatic speech recognition internship. In that topic covered by the internship was AIML concept. In this, artificial intelligence, machine learning principles are used for this internship program. And machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning are used. In supervised learning, we take labeled data, and in unsupervised learning, we take unlabeled data. And neural networks, natural language processing for this automatic speech recognition. And neural networks are created by the human brain, and this internship was useful for the AI purpose, AI purpose, and by the supervisor learning techniques called linear regression were used in this internship. This natural language processing used for the computer and humans
Next number.
between interaction. 24.
Number 21 continue. Roll number 24.
The topic is a general language models. These have two types of language models: statistical language models. Statistical language models use statistical methods to predict the next word in sentence. Next type is neural language models. Use deep learning techniques such as recurrent neural networks and transformers to predict the next word. Here is a popular language models are Telugu bird, language model for Telugu based on word architecture. Telugu transformer, a pre-trained language model, Telugu based word architecture. These applications is language translation, text summarization, and sentimental analysis. The challenges we faced in these are here is the limited data. The availability of the Telugu language is limited, making it challenging to the train robust language models. Next, Telugu textbook page. Here is the text analysis. Repass the input, including documentation, part of speech tagging, and phonetic transcriptions. Popular Telugu text-to-speech models is speech, historical, and global software.
Roll number 29.
Good afternoon. Myself, Durga Devi. I am from CSM branch. My document
Roll number 31.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Sorry, stray model we have to select models like speech recognition techniques, audio data, training, the training process and turning models and validating enhancements. The work could focus on expanding the dataset and refining the models for even better performance. Research aims to improve the naturalism by refining proceeding innovation transactions. Conclusion. In conclusion, the futures of Telugu language technology, Telugu language policy, technology great promise.
కంప్యూటర్ విత్ నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్ స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం.
మార్క్స్ బట్టి కొంచెం ఓవరాల్ గ్రేడ్
ఎంతుందండి ఇప్పుడు?
అంటే వస్తే ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అంటే డిస్టింక్షన్ వస్తున్నాను ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ వస్తాను. దాంట్లో అదే ఇప్పుడు ప్రాజెక్ట్ని బట్టి క్రెడిట్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. దానిలో
కాదు, క్లాస్ చేంజ్ కావాలంటే ఎన్ని మార్కులు కావాలండి? ఓ గ్రేడ్ రావాలి, 90+.
90 మాట స్టార్టింగ్.
Good afternoon. I'm Balapriya, bearing roll number 22 JN 1 year 4249. My internship is about automatic speech recognition, ma'am. The introduction of automatic speech recognition is the main objective is to create AI models that can process and generate Telugu language data, thereby enhancing speech recognition and text-to-speech capabilities. The overview of my internship is about the technology that enables computer to recognize spoken language into text, ma'am. Here, the Telugu language AI system designed to understand and generate human language. There are 3 types of Telugu language model, ma'am. NLP model trained on large corpus and robust capabilities. NLP model, it is nothing but it makes us to understand translate our language into machine's language.
72.
రికార్డింగ్ పెడుతున్నారు కదా?
రికార్డింగ్ ఉంది మేడం. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మేడం.
సతీష్
కాబట్టి
ఎప్పుడు నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు అక్కడ?
2013 నుంచి చేస్తున్నాను. కైట్ 1కి వస్తే 2021 నుంచి.
అక్కడ నుంచి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. సరే అండి.
భోజనానికి తీసుకెళ్దామని వచ్చాను.
ఎవరిని? మీ సార్నా మమ్మల్ని?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Gautami and I'm currently pursuing my BTech 3rd year from CSC.
Madam, next batch start చేద్దాం.
So I just want to tell you about Telugu text-to-speech models. And the speech models text, we have to do first text processing, and after that prosody generation, and after that accurate modeling. Coming to text processing, developing text into modulation and pre-processing algorithms handle diverse Telugu input to the text formats, ma'am. And after that, we have to do pre-processing, means clearing and flashing. We have to remove the null values and null objects, whichever and whatever we have in that data set. And after that, accurate modeling. which means training high quality accurate models to generate natural sounding Telugu speeches from textual data. So the first thing is audio data collection. We have to collect data from the users. Up to we have to collect up to 20 to 25 data collections, which is in the mode of speech collection. After that, we have to use our model, which is at automatic speech generation. So with using that, we have to translate those speeches into text format.
Roll number 39. Batch 13 start.
మేడం కంప్లీట్ అయిపోతే నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి మేడం.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
నాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి, నేను తీసుకుంటాను.
Hello, ma'am.
మేడం స్టార్ట్ చేయండి నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్.
Hi, madam. Good afternoon, madam. My name is Geeta Durga Bhavani. I am from batch 17. It is an individual product. Individual project. I am Geeta Durga Bhavani. I am here excited to be here to share my experience in the summer internship of 6 weeks internship conducted. Hmm. My summer internship was held in between artificial intelligence and machine learning domain. On this domain, I have taken the term stress level analysis. Abstract of my project was stress is a pervasive issue affecting millions of individuals worldwide, leading to decreased productivity and impaired mental health. I have to choose in this project on the stress of decrease the risk of chronic diseases and increase the productivity and impaired mental health. This study proposes entail my project support. This study or a project support purposes means individual stress management in smartphones or in a hand or anything to calculate the stress in the offices either with the accuracy of 91% to predict the stress analysis. Here we have taken in three considered classes. One is low, moderate, high, in which we use of the schedule of the project means first, ma'am, problem statement, intro to ML AI, proposed solution, system resources, prediction analysis, conclusion, and result. First, come to the problem statement, madam. Development efficient and accurate stress level analysis system that integrates multiple attributes such as sleeping quality, breathing rate problems, and future concerns, study load, office load. Here we have taken some attributes, and we will develop. And I am developed in a stress level prediction in the back end, and it is connected to the front end with using HTML and CSS with the connections of Flask. Coming to my project is intro to ML. First, machine learning is a super smart like a super smart friend which recognizes from data and recognizes patterns and makes better decisions.
మీరు ఒక్కళ్ళే ఒక వర్క్షాప్ ఒక ఇంటర్న్షిప్ చేశారమ్మా?
No, ma'am, it is an individual workshop, ma'am, because of limited sources, ma'am. Sentiment analysis was taken by few, and this domain is in their A and ML in the APS DC.
Okay. So you have done on
yes, ma'am.
Stress level analysis, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Stress level analysis.
What is the algorithm you have developed?
Decision tree algorithm, ma'am. In these five steps are occurrences, ma'am. First is first root node. It is meant by data gathering. First, we have to collect the gather at the root node, and in the second node, child nodes, it will divide the two data sets into two types and construct an algorithm in the between. Construct hidden networks and insights are constructed between the two subsets and gives the leaf nodes. In the leaf nodes, majority of the class labels are selected. In this, only three class labels are, madam: low, moderate, high. In which, according to our insight, we given our prediction. It will take the insights and or types of majority votes. It will give the class label as the prediction, ma'am.
Okay, next number. Next
Thank
skill.
you, ma'am.
Next number.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Padmavati from batch 17. I'm done cybersecurity with Kali Linux. This is a individual project. I'm going to share my PPT. These are my topics from Introduction to Cybersecurity. What is Kali Linux? Key features, tools, installing Kali Linux, getting started with penetration testing, user interface, ethical means
ఏమ్మా ఏంటి లేట్ ఏంటి? 4 2 5 6.
Ma'am, some problem issue, ma'am. 4256 was unable to connect, ma'am. 4204 will explain about the FMML, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ 4204 6983. ఈ ముగ్గురు
Yes,
ఒకటే కదా? ఫౌండేషన్ ఆఫ్ మోడర్న్ మెషిన్ లెర్నింగ్.
yes, ma'am. These three members are represented by the FMML certificate, ma'am, by IIIT Hyderabad.
ఓకే, వాళ్ళ ముగ్గురిని ఎట్ ఏ టైం ప్రెజెంట్ చేయమని చెప్పండి.
Okay, ma'am. I am share. They will share the PPT and present, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, madam. I am
వీడియోస్
Meera, madam.
ఆన్ చేసుకోవాలి ముగ్గురును.
ఆన్ చేసిన నేను ఆన్ చేసిన వీడియో రావట్లేదు. Good afternoon, madam. Video some problem.
మా సిస్టమ్ పని చేయకపోతే వేరే సిస్టమ్ మీద కనెక్ట్ అవ్వండి. చాలా సిస్టమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా.
Ma'am, I am 4206, ma'am. I am giving my laptop to 4204, ma'am. They will explain the PPT, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam. My topic is FMML, madam. Fundamentals of modern machine learning. It is the future of AI. It is the future of AI. Welcome to our presentation on the introduction of fundamentals of machine learning and AI. The power of functional programming, declare style, immutability, compositionality. A new paradigm, data structures, FMML, rich data structure like lists and trees, algorithms, function-based algorithms are efficient and elegant. Optimization, FMML optimize process using lambda calculus, AI applications. This paradigm brings new solutions to AI problems.
ఇమ్మ
Real world
చదవడం
example.
ఏమో ఉపయోగం లేదమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Ramla Devi. Today, the project name is FML Foundation Modern of Machine Learning. The future of AI. The the power of functional programming, declaring system immunity, composabilities, the real words of examples, robotics, natural language processing, computer visions.
చదివితే ఏం ఉపయోగం ఉండదమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్.
Number 4, 83 from KSM. Today we are reading on the basis of foundation of modern machine learning. FML or foundation of modern machine learning is future of AI. We are able to use FML in future in various ways. The power of functional programming of FML are three types: declarative style, immutability, and the compositionality. Real world examples of FML are natural language processing (NLP) and computer vision and robotics also. The future of FML and AI are the enhanced efficiency, improved accuracy, and new applications. We are able to use FML in various applications in the future, and it is very useful. Key takeaways of FML are FML's potential, wide applicability, and the future direction. The next steps to improve FML are explore FML resources, experiment in FML, and engage in the community. Thank you, ma'am.
Batch 13.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Myself, Umasri from CSM, register number 22 JN1A4280. Today, my internship is about Swadsha, text to speech. Here, introduction, we learn about overview of internship role and focus area. Abstract. The Swadsha internship program offers students and professions the opportunity to enhance on experience with open source software development, community collaboration, and technology social impact projects. Participants works on various individual related to software design, coding, documentation, and outreach, all while contributing to the mission of promoting free and open source technologies. The program forecasts skills development in software engineering, project management, and teamwork while emphasizing the importance and collaboration, innovations, and inclusive in the tech industry. Through this in through this internship, individuals gain particular experience, build on their profiles, and become part of global movement of a digital
Next roll number.
empowerment and
Roll number. Start.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Anabhakti from CSM. My registration number is 22JN14281. Today, in summer internship, I learned Python and ML AI. Machine learning. What is ML? Learning Telugu language model. LLM definition. The language model algorithm categories human likes in a test based on the input data functions. LLM scans performance, symmetrizations, and analysis and questioning answering. Applications. Language Telugu educational method ethics of everyday and communication.
Next batch.
ఏమ్మా అయిపోయారా? ఇంకెవరున్నారు? లాస్ట్ నంబర్. ఇంకెవరున్నారు?
ఒక బ్యాచ్ ఉంది మ్యామ్.
స్టార్ట్ చేయండి అమ్మా.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Anu here, pursuing third year CSM, ma'am. I'm here to give the presentation about network cyber security, ma'am. Network cyber security. We will explore essential principles and objectives safeguarding today's interconnected world. Coming to the abstract cyber. In this cybersecurity, surrounded a broad range of practices, tools, and concepts.
In this cybersecurity,
Those
surrounded a
information
broad range
information
of
technology security.
tools and concepts. Those in today's world, the cybersecurity becomes paramount connected that cyber threats continue to evolve. This paper delves, that is, shows into the multifaceted landscape of network security, examine key vulnerabilities, attack vectors, and mitigation strategies.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Srilata, currently pursuing BTech third year. I have completed my internship in a domain of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Now I am sharing my screen. My project abstract is artificial intelligence and machine learning, ma'am. Artificial intelligence is one of the booming artificial intelligence is a booming technology of computer science, madam. In the future, it will be in a more with the help of AI, we can create such softwares or devices which can be solved real world applications. And for example, in a robots and virtual assistants, these are using in artificial in our project in my project artificial intelligence and machine learning. It creates algorithms and performs tasks which are given by the user. The main aim of the machine learning is to create a zero knowledge machine into performing tasks given by the user. I have completed my internship in a 8 weeks modules, madam.
Next roll ఎవరు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు
Like
కనిపించట్లేదమ్మా
introduction to AIML, trends. In future, it will presents chatbot, machine learning, cloud computing, robot. Last, I learned about artificial intelligence and machine learning in India has positively impact in developing different tools to perform human intelligence. Like it uses in a healthcare, transport, manufacturing industries, education, etc. Thank you, ma'am.
నెక్స్ట్ ఎవరున్నారు
Morning, ma'am. Myself, good morning, ma'am. Myself, Sindhu. I am from third year CSM. I am here to explain about embedded system developer. Embedded system developer, it is a collection of components working together to achieve a specific role. Abstract of embedded system developer. Abstract of embedded system developer virtual internship would include the following information. Embedded system are specialized computer system. It integrated hardware and software to perform a specific function within a large system. They are used in wide range of products, including automation and medical devices, IoT devices. Challenge of embedded system is software engineering because they must be real-time requirements, safety critical, and distributing over multiple processor. Introduction of embedded system is a specialized computer system designed from specific function within a large system, founded in everyday and devices. Importance of embedded system. It is used in industries and consumer electronics, medical devices, and automations efficiently and innovations of embedded system. It is a heart of embedded system, providing the computational powers, memory controls. The heart of embedded technology, two types. There are design fundamentals and key considerations. Design fundamentals are, it involves a careful planning, the layout of circuits and components. Key considerations. Factors like power consumption, memory capacity, processing speed, computational communication protocols. Embedded systems are used in manufacturing and domestic audio, gaming, telecommunications, medical devices, cars and vehicles, motion sensors.
Programming and firmware development. There are stages, language choice. Language choice are C, C++, and assembly language. Assembly language is a simple language to build a embedded system programming. Single structure. It is a program to hardware system.
ఏమా నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ చెప్పండి. నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్ కంటిన్యూ చేయండి ఫినిష్.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Dijoshka and I am from Kite CSM, ma'am. I am here to explain about the network cybersecurity, ma'am. Network cybersecurity is a paramount of depth in the fundamental principles and strategies in your digital landscapes. Abstract of the network cybersecurity is cybersecurity crucial role and the scope of our discussion. It will protect the infrastructure from the cyber threats or cyber criminals. The scope of our discussion is explore the principles and challenges of securing networks and rapidly evolving digital landscapes. The access control and authentication strategies are three. Multi-factor authentication, where we can make the passwords and one-time codes biometrics. Role-based authentication control, it will grant the permissions only for the users who have the access. Password management, it will manage the passwords and policies for promotion. It will secure passwords to managers. The fundamental cybersecurity principles are three types: confidentiality and integrity availability. It ensures the sensitivity information remains accessible. Integrity will show the accuracy and completeness of data. Availability, it will guarantee the system and services are readily available to authorize it when we need it. The evolving cyber threat landscapes are three: APTS, transform attacks, and phishing and social engineering. In APTS, where the cyber criminals will compromise and systems over a long period. Ransomware attacks are where the cyber criminals encrypt the data and they will demand the user and release the portion and description in financial damage. Phishing, the cyber criminals will use the tactics, the tricks to reveal the sensitive data from the user and it will grant the access to the system. The future of cybersecurity. AI, the AI man-made thinking power and the anonymity detective automated response. Cloud security, it will protect the data and apply the hosted, including cyber security services. Zero trust security, where there is no trust for the any users by default, requiring strong authentication, continuous verification. The conclusion: proactive security, continuous learning, and collaboration sharing. These are the three proactive security. It will implement
నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి అమ్మా.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Sunita Desreddy from CSM, roll number 457. I am here to explain about the internship microchip embedded system development. The aspect for Microsoft Embedded System Developer Virtual Internship. Embedded system are specialized computing systems that integrate hardware and software, perform specific functions with a larger device system. They are widely used wide range of products, including automotive systems, medical devices, and IoT devices. Challenges which are faced in this embedded system are a challenging field software engineering because they must meet real-time requirements or safety article and are distributed over multiple processors. It can, and we get certificates in this. Next, microprocessor. Microprocessor is a central processing unit on a single integrated circuit. We perform automatic logical and control operations, acting as the brain of a computer system. And this is the difference of microprocessor and microcontroller. Microchip technology. Microchip is an American manufacturer of microcontrollers, memory, and analog systems. Founded in 1987. And applications of embedded system is digital watches, traffic lights, printers, mobile phones, robotics, climate control in automation. Future of this embedded system is the rise intelligent embedded system, the Internet of Things, and security. The future will see a focus on developing embedded systems that are both powerful and energy efficient. Thank you.
Next number, start cheyam.
Good afternoon, madam. This is Ramyashri from CSN, madam. Registration number 22 JN 1A4211, madam. చెప్తున్నా ఓకేనా మేడం I mean, recently did the internship, madam, about the web full stack development, madam. In full web stack development, I will maintain your web applications, madam. In this, both the front end and back end are components, madam. In this, utilize the HTML and CSS, JavaScript, and nodes are used, madam. In this full stack developers, that is gap between the client and servers, madam. And next, in this content is, madam, e-commerce website, madam. In this e-commerce website, madam, people are selling the goods in the internet, madam. In this website, what can do means in business can process ordering and accepting payments and manage shipping also, madam. And next, full stack development. Full stack development is nothing but, madam, both the portions of web application, madam, front end and back end. In front end, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are used, madam. And in backend, MongoDB, and MongoDB Compass and Node.js and user, madam. Structure of the website, madam, is structure of website. It consists of homepage, products, and customers review and login sign up pages, madam, and web forms. And in login page, we includes username and email and passwords. And login includes an email and password, madam. And in homepage is filled with the headings and the navigation links and images and new about the business reasons, madam. And next, customer details, madam. In customer details, we fulfill the customer name and email address and phone number and city and the product chosen, another product chosen. This is all about my internship, madam. Thank you, madam.
Roll number 77.
Good afternoon, madam. I am G. Chaitashri, currently pursuing BTech third year from CSM branch, madam. Today I'm going to tell about my project. My project is robotic process automation, madam. I'm going to share my presentation, madam. Robotic process automation is an emerging tool of automation technology, notation of software, robots, or artificial intelligence. RPA is the use of the artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to handle the repeatable tasks that previously required a human to perform. RPA has the software and services which allow to transact in any IT application typically way a human would to automate complex rule-based work. In other words, RPA software allows developers to develop complex automation companies process. When an RPA robot is at work, it performs tasks just with logging in, operating applications, entering data, performing complex and logging out. ML is an application of artificial intelligence that perform the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience with based programs. Robotic process automation. The process of automating business operations with the help of robots to reduce human intervention is said to be robotic process automation. We have two types of robots, unattended and attended. Unattended is also known as autonomous software robots. Attended is also known as assistive software robots. Robotic process automation is not a physical mechanical robot. Rather, the robot in robotic process automation is software running on a physical or virtual machine. RPA robots are capable of mimicking many. Log into any application, we can connect to system APIs and we can copy and paste data and move files and folders, extract process content and documents, PDF, emails and forms. And we can read and write to database and we can open mails and attachments and we scrap data from the web and we can make the calculations. We have some advantages of RPA, cost
Next
effectiveness.
number.
I want to share my experience about the robotic process automation development. Coming to abstraction, robotic process automation is an engineering tool of automation technique based on the software and robots. It can handle high volume capabilities and robotic process automation. The process of automatic business operation with the help of robots to reduce human intervention is called robotic process automation. RPA is the use of software with artificial intelligence. This is the image about the solution of the RPA developer. Coming to types of robots, it can be divided into two types. Unattended software robots, attended software robots. Unattended software robots means it involve not involve humans. It can depend only software robots. Coming to attendant robots, it involves humans to perform tasks. Coming to RPA, robotic. Robotic and is an entity to capability to mimic human actions. Process is a sequence of steps to a meaningful activities. Automation takes tasks happen automatically without human intervention. Robots are the capable of mimic human user actions. These are log into any application, connect to system APIs, copy and paste data, movie files and folders. Coming to RPA advantages, it has cost effectiveness. There is no involvement of a robot can perform 24/7 without any breaks and holidays. It has improved quality assurance. It has means no errors, increased productivity. These are the benefits of robotic process automation. That is cost reduction, improved process capability, customer experience, etc. Application of RPA. Application of RPA is banking, healthcare, insurance, business process outsourcing, government. These are the applications for the robotic process automation. This is the example for robotic can start from 3D email to end. RPA challenges. Choosing the right process to automate it, setting realistic expectations, employee resistance, change management, robotic maintenance. These are the challenges faced in this RPA development. Coming to RPA tools. Automation enable Blue Prism, UiPath, Open Workfusion, Pega. These are the RPA tools used in the robotic process automation. Thank you. Thank you.
నెక్స్ట్ నెంబర్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేయండి అమ్మా.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Bhavya Mansa. I'm from CSM branch. My domain is ethical hacking, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Ramya, currently pursuing BTech third year, ma'am. I have shared my internship experience, ma'am, domain of artificial intelligence and machine learning, ma'am. Google AML virtual internship. The Google AML virtual internship in collaboration with EduSkills Foundation supported by AICT, ma'am. All India Council for Technical Education is designed to equip students with particular experience in artificial intelligence and machine learning. The program aims to develop industry-ready professionals poised leading engineering technicals. Intro of AML, what is artificial intelligence? AI is the capability of machines to human intelligence to enable some machine think, reason, learn, and perform
Share
tasks.
your screen. Your screen is not visible. Share your presentation.
Examples, virtual Siri, Alexa. ML is a subset of AI that focuses on training machines to learn from data and improve their performance without explicit programming. It uses algorithms and statistical models to identify patterns in data. Types of ML: supervised, unsupervised, reinforcement. Supervised learns from labeled data. Unsupervised identifies patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning learns through trial and error. Applications: robotics and industry, AI, social media, virtual personal assistant, mission vision, natural language, smart cities, healthcare, gaming, AI, e-commerce, traffic prediction. Key internship objective of AML, ma'am. Understanding AML and fundamentals, gain a strong foundation in artificial intelligence and machine learning concepts. Hands-on experience with ML algorithms, learn and implement various ML algorithms such as linear regression, decision tree, neural networks, and clustering, data handling and pre-processing, develop skills in collecting, cleaning, and pre-processing data to make it suitable for machine learning models. Practical applications of AML: work on real-world projects to apply AML knowledge to solve complex problems in industries such as healthcare, agriculture, and finance. This is my certification of completion, ma'am. Conclusion: artificial intelligence and machine learning are transformative technologies reshaping industries and everyday life. AI enables machines to replicate human intelligence while ML empowers them to learn and improve from data. As these skills evolve, the problem solving. Thank you, ma'am.
Next Emma.
Good morning, ma'am. I am roll number 19, ma'am. Today, good morning, ma'am. My internship is on Python full stack developer, ma'am. Here is our table of contents, ma'am. It has 9. Good morning, ma'am. It has 9 table of contents, ma'am. First it has HTML, ma'am. So coming to HTML, HTML is a markup language, ma'am. It uses to create a web pages. Any type of web page is used to create using HTML language, ma'am. It after writing any HTML code, we'll write CSS code. We'll attach CSS to HTML code by using style sheet. It is a cascading style sheet, ma'am. We apply the CSS to HTML code, ma'am. And it has in this, the third module is Bootstrap, ma'am. Bootstrap, it is an open source front-end development framework, ma'am. We use also CSS and Bootstrap to connect HTML code, ma'am. And by using the fourth module is JavaScript, ma'am. This JavaScript is a most popular programming language, ma'am. We implement our written HTML code by using JavaScript, ma'am. And next module is Python, ma'am. Python is also a
ఓకే
program.
మా కంక్లూడ్ చేయండి చదవకండి చదివితే ఏం ఉపయోగం ఉండదు కంక్లూడ్
By using these 9 modules, this Python full stack development, by using these 9 modules, we'll create.
Madam, anybody else is there or she is the last one?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
మేడం ఇంకా ఉన్నారా?
Yes, ma'am. One number left, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Bhavya Mansa. I'm from CSM branch. My domain is ethical hacking. Ethical hacking involves the legal use of hacking techniques to identify threats and vulnerabilities in a system. Ethical hackers, also called white hat hackers, use the same tool and techniques as malicious hackers, but do so within a legal and ethical framework. In this internship, weekly wise, there are 6 modules. Module 1, Introduction to Ethical Hacking. Ethical hacking.
మనం వచ్చి చెప్పకపోయినా మనం ఏం పర్లేదు కానీ రాకుండా చేయలేదు.
Ethical hacking involves the legal use of hacking techniques to identify threats. Second one is footprinting. Footprinting is to identify the in the collection of critical information about the target system. Next, network scanning. Network scanning also divided into network scanning to identify live ports and open ports. Enumeration, which focused on extracting detailed data such as usernames and network service. Vulnerability analysis to identify the access system weaknesses.
Next,
and
madam, last time
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Python full stack amma. What's your title?
Ethical hacking, ma'am.
Ethical hacking to 4254.
Yes, ma'am.
Conclude చేయండి అమ్మా.
Conclusion. The conclusion of an internship report serves as crucial purpose in summarizing the key findings and the experiences and the lessons learned during the internship. Thank you, ma'am.
మేడం అందరూ ఫినిష్ అయిపోయారా?
Yes, ma'am.
ఓకే, అలా ఇలా చేసి 2 అయింది.
Sorry, ma'am.
క్లోజ్ చేసేద్దాం, మాట్లాడదాం తర్వాత లంచ్ తర్వాత. ఓకేనా?